Hi everyone, it's Joe again, who I just found out I made the list of the most problematic YouTubers. Yes, that's right, I'm a problematic YouTuber. So there you go. Interesting. Anyway, I thought I would show you. This is the Federal Court of Australia's website. So we're going to have a look because there was an update posted. So this is the Federal Court of Australia. This comes under public interest cases. So anything that's a public interest gets its own little area. And it says they'll be placed into file where they're easily accessible. So if we click on this, this takes us here. This is the court website here. And so this is like your PACER. And you can just click on all of this. So there's been an administrative, so we've got all of that. So we've got here details. So we've had some direction orders. So let's have a look at what these direction orders state. So what happens is you submit your documents to court, and then there are some direction orders that are actually given by the judge. So things are a little bit different. So now it has a court number. So it's been issued with a number. So the judge has made an order, Justice Jaggett, and I apologise, sir, if I have pronounced your name wrong. So he did this on the 17th of March, which was yesterday in Sydney. All right, so by consent, the applicant provide further and better particulars of identification, republication and or aggravated damages on or before the 23rd of March 2021. So that means that the judge wants a breakdown. So he wants the court to have more information. That is sometimes not unusual because the statement of claim was just very basic. So now he wants the nitty-gritty. The respondents file and serve their defence on or before the 4th of May 2021. So they've got from the 23rd of March to the 4th of May to respond. The applicant to file and serve his reply on or before the 11th of May 2021. The matter to be listed for case management at 9:30 a.m. on the 14th of May 2021. So it's already on the list, so it's already been given a court date. A case management means that they're just going to get together, work out what, case management. They're going to decide all the bits, whether it's going to be trial, jury, whether there is any, hopefully by all of that, there may be somewhere in between here, there may be, they may agree on something, liberty to restore on 24 hours notice. It's been stamped. That also is the, so the respondents, yeah. So that's for both of them. So that's the order. So they can settle out of court at any stage of this time, but this is the process in which it's going to be taken, and there's all the dates listed. My understanding is that this is not unusual, where things are given, where you're given sort of a list a day. Usually, particularly in these matters, they will have blocked them out in their diaries, so you sort of know. So this is really easy to work with because there's no mistaken. It's all on a document. If you go, when does the applicant have to do their reply? The 11th of May. When does the respondents have to file? 4th of May. How long does the applicant get to give more information? 23rd of March. Like, it's all there. It's all laid out for them. And that's the seal of the Federal Court. So this is the Federal Court building in New South Wales. So every state has a Federal Court. So this is what our stuff. This is like the file. This is what the file looks like. So if there's any orders, it will be here. So it was filed on the 15th of March. So we've got, so directions order. So how the case is going to be directed. You've got all the documents that are filed, and you've got your parties. You've got who's who's it going to be, who's the person presiding, and there you go. And so that is what the federal court website looks like. And because it's also public interest, you don't actually need to have an account to read it. So normally you would need to have an account to log in. I'm just going to show you. But because it's deemed public interest, see, given the significant public interest in this matter, the court has adopted a publicly available online file. So because it's public interest, I'm just going to put in here Federal Court Australia, to show you how easy it is. Look at this. So click on it. Federal Court of Australia. So this is their Federal Court site. And we come down here, news and events. Look, there we go. A new online file has been done. This, I need to cover this one because this is the woman that's gone missing. I'll grab these ones as well. We might look at the ASIC versus CADIC because that is the lady that's disappeared. And so that's going to be an interesting one to look at as well. So I might pull that one up as well, hey? So we'll keep looking at these cases because they're very interesting. Oh, I find them very interesting. I don't know about you, but I find them very interesting. Oh, wow, there's lots here. Oh, we've got so much. So this is what I mean about, so this is the CADIC one, just so I can show you. Anything that is deemed to be not public information, they've redacted. So you'll see here they've not made it available. So there's some stuff here that is not made available. And that is because it's got information that they don't want to be public because it's a public interest. So it's got stuff in it that the courts have deemed the public don't need to know. But everything else is public information. But this is all the stuff. This is the file to date. So it's pretty huge. It's a big one. So we might have a look at the Melissa CADIC. So I'll pull out all of those documents and have a look. We can have a look at those and see what's happening with that case. Anyway, thought I'd give you an update, and I'll keep giving you an update. There's been a lot of stuff filed here. So, and of course, as I said, that Melissa CADIC has disappeared. So you sort of throw suspend in the works when she can't appear in court. So if we follow, we might look at the court stuff and see where it takes us, hey? All right, well, you have a great one, and I'll catch you later.